How to get your TikTok account unbanned. So if you want to get your TikTok account unbanned, then what you can do is first you need to open up your Chrome browser or any browser that you're comfortable with. Once you're here in the Chrome browser, simply search for TikTok contact. Once you've searched for TikTok contact, here you can simply go for the first option, which is www.tiktok.com, which will take you to the contact page. So here you will have visit the help center. Tap on visit the help center, which is support.tiktok.com, and here you can simply scroll down, and here you will have all of these options, right? So you can simply go for the search and then search for unbanned, or you can also search for banned. So once you've searched, here you will have all of these options. So what you can do is simply scroll down. So if your TikTok account has been banned, then it might be due to the underage appeals or content violations or bans, or account safety, or if you have done any copyright content, or because of something which is related to this. So you can simply scroll down, and here you will have report a problem option. Tap on report a problem, and here you can have these kind of options, and here you can simply go for the upper right, which has that pencil shaped icon, and then it will take you to report a problem option. And here you can simply tap on the bottom, which has tell us your feedback, and it will take you to the feedback page, and from here you can simply enter the feedback. So you need to write that I'm not being able to use my TikTok, or my TikTok account has been banned, and I have not violated any community guidelines or anything, so please help me with that. And you need to enter your email address and your username and your mobile number and everything, and then you can also upload some screenshots of your problem and tap on submit, and once you tap on submit, your problem might be fixed. So that's the only way to get your TikTok account unbanned, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.